All right, I finally found this thing. It's parked way back here. See how far we are? Oh, way back here. And it's it won't start. I do have my little jump pack here, but it's actually not in that bad a shape. It has some bad things going on here. This whole front end kind of was, let me see, kind of pulled over, so it was hit here, and when it hit it, I think it pushed everything that way. So this particular fender here is actually not in horrible shape, but except for right there, it would need that rebent and probably enforced a little bit. I can't see anything that's broke. I believe there's no coolant, so I think there's a hole somewhere. Don't know where. Tires, not in horrible shape. Actually pretty good. I'd probably say they have 50 to 75% left on them. The truck is in good shape. Hopefully, stuff in here. Here's the light right here, but I'm not sure if that even works. But look at that, the tires are. I sell the tires and rims. I can sell this thing for parts, more than I paid for it. It's in good shape. It's got a little bit of a lift on it. We did some crappy screws in here for some reason. The whole back's fine. I mean, things in good shape. I'll show you the. I haven't looked at that yet. I haven't looked in the back either. The back looks good, I would say. I don't even see. There's a couple little stains and stuff. There's a sliding rear window. A little stain here on the front seat. Show you the front. We got some bulbs in here. This door is hitting the fender, so like I said, I think that fender yeah, this thing's stuck because it got an accident, so I have to fix that. Lights are off. It's good, but it doesn't have, I mean, it has one stain on the seat right here. Probably get that out. There's a couple little things in the center console. Little stains on the floor there. Airbags were deployed, so we got the steering wheel, and then the passenger was deployed. I'm guessing there was somebody else in here, but there is nothing else, so I will have to get that fixed. It's pretty basic, really. I mean, even the center console's pretty basic. That's cool. Little ashtray. 2007. I am going to take a, oh, that broken up there, the heater vent grill. What else do we got here? Just not much. It's pretty clean. Let me look at the door here real quick. See what this says. So this is an 07, 607. And yeah. Tire dealy bobber. But yeah, I mean, all around pretty clean. Has automatic windows and such. But yeah, this hood, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got little dents all over it. Windows cracked right here. It's not major, but still cracked. And yeah, I'll just have to get it home and go from there. But not a bad looking truck. Just think that the bumper and grill and stuff, whatever else I got to replace in the front, is going to cost a pretty penny. So not as bad as this one. So it's a nice looking truck though for an 07. 130,000 miles on it. So I'll catch you back when I get it home here.